So, hello and welcome, beautiful people, to the round 742. Um, guess what? If you are working, you don't have that much time in a day. Who would guess? I was talking to some QA guys today. They did uh, they did hang around after the stand-up on a call, and I did with them. So we did talk. We did talk, and it was kind of fun. There are a lot of people leaving the company. Oh, come on. So we'll see. I don't know. I just see the goodbye emails. I did ask about one of the Czech guy, which he left, the QA guys, and he said like, well, I was talking to him, and he said that he's not sure how it will go in here, and then he found something else. But like that was the first time they saw me, so maybe they were like a little bit cautious what they are saying. Well, I don't know. They also told me, they told me, never ever uh, take more responsibilities. You will just have more responsibilities, and no one will appreciate it. Just stay away from it. Don't do anything. Also, I noticed one. I cannot say this. Maybe when I will be not recording, then I can say something else. But not now. Okay. What is the result? 3%, nice. Yeah, and you have to ask to install like it's just bullshit. That's just is what it is. How much was it? Free, right? 337. What have I installed? So far, I have installed IntelliJ, the IntelliJ Toolbox, and IntelliJ Toolbox is not communicating with the IntelliJ. The IntelliJ is 2019 version. The fuck? Okay. But my manager told me that I can install any kind of any version of IntelliJ, so we'll see about that. I was not successful the first try, so I just roll with whatever there is, just to get it rolling. Well, that is something which I will be solving tomorrow as well. I should have the license, but also I did not have access to the Confluence, you know, like the manager gave me like links to lots of pages on the Confluence page, like the onboarding process and so on, but I don't have access to it. It's kind of fucked up somehow, and they are hopefully they fixed it now, and I will have access tomorrow. But yeah, so it will take time. Yeah, and we'll be doing Angular. Well, I guess I will be closing this. It's so beautiful. Yeah, but I don't know. Ah, I know where you are heading. I know where you are heading, and I like the idea. Yeah, you know what? You're a kind of smart guy. Yeah, that should be the only thing I should ask for, and then I'm good, right? But I'm not sure if I would be able to have like the windows virtualized. Yeah, it is. It is. You can start the timer. Yeah, so we had this shit, right? So for example, I mean like inside of the like some of the image, but oh well. I was thinking, you know, like something in a sense, not even the like Docker, but I would have a like virtual machine. Okay, mate. Oh. So I guess I have to learn more about Docker. I guess, yeah, well. Yeah, but I can run it inside of it, and then I can like, yeah. So the last time we have learned the RNG on it. We should do all the legwork. Yeah, the constructor should be just easy, computationally cheap initialization, like no logic whatsoever, because it kind of delays the process of creating shit. And we also learned that yeah, the shit that is binded via input is initialized after the constructor. It is actually not available in the constructor and at the construction and initialization state. I think the on changes is the first one. Yeah, but then we have on init that is called multiple times. This is called just once. So that was a good lesson. The destroy is just destroy. We should like unsubscribe, stop intervals, and callbacks. You know, like we should cancel. Otherwise, we will have a memory leaks. And now we will go into the general examples. That is the code which I have open in here. We already went through it, but here is some explanation. from them, so maybe we will learn even more from what they are writing in here. Oh, by the way, today on a stand-up, I was the only person who had the webcam turned on. Nice. Nice. I am actually no, I just want to open recent, and the recent is my page. What is this? This is a TypeScript playing around. So in this window, why do you open there? Be there, not there. There. Come on, come on. Here we go. Oh, we're here. Windows VSL, yeah. How do I? What? Where are the errors? Oh, I see. Oh well. Okay. One's gone. Thank you. So I'll save this. And send directives. And who's writing to me? Done. With practice, you would rarely, if ever, implement all of the sure. The following snapshot reflects the state of the log after you click the Create button. which is here. Let's create. Well, I did click a little bit more, but what's the lesson? On changes. Okay, so here first is the constructor, then we have the hooks, right? On changes, on init, do check. Okay, so it's like 3 times here, after content init, after content checked, after view init, after view checked, and on destroy. What is that? The log confirms that input properties, the name property in this case, have no assigned values at construction. Yeah, we did look at that. The input properties are available in what's happening? Nothing. The input properties are available to the onInit method for further initialization, which is great, I suppose. Had the user clicked the update hero button, the log would show another on changes. DMAR triplets. Okay, so the do check, no check, is called often. That's check, content checked, after view checked, multiple times. Use directives to watch the spy example demonstrates how you can use hook method for directives as well as components. Yeah, the spy directive. This is like weird. Is it always like so? Or yeah, it's only the directive. It has it's array. Everywhere else, it is just a string. Hold on, that's not array of string. That is that's weird. So we have two directives. One is peekaboo directive. The one is the upspy, but this guy doesn't have a selector at all. How are he used? And I don't want here. How about in HTML? Oh, come on. That's nothing. What the fuck? Oh, that's just not in my project. Not my code. It's not even in the list here. That's weird. Oh, that's it, because it's just extended. I see. I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing. Let's eliminate on destroy, sure. This template. As the spy directive to a diff in the ng4, your repeater managed by the parent spy, yep. It's here, and it is here. This guy. That's it. That's it. Just tracks appearance and disappearance, yes. Can't touch the implementation of a native div or modify a third-party component. I wanted to register for... Okay, so I will do that after, and I need to write it down somewhere. So I don't forget. Where do I write it? Oh, I actually have a usage for sticky notes. Wow. This one I cannot forget that's important. I need to write. I need to, because I want to go to the theater and COVID tests are required. So I need to, register for testing before going there. They are kind of strict about it, which is good. that logs messages to the parent using an injected logger service. I have no idea. I did not choose it. So I don't know. I was just asked, do you want to go to theater? And I said yes. And that was it. So I have no idea. I have no idea. I think it will be some local artist. Here's my... Actually, once we went to a theater to a drama, and we did not know it was drama, and we was like, what the fuck is happening? That was really creepy. We were like, oh yeah, we will have a laugh. And then we were looking at it, and then it's like, this is not funny at all. One of the main characters committed suicide at the end of the play. And not happy, not happy. So implements shit and shut. Implement this and that, sure. How this knows that it comes from the parent? The parent using injected logger service. How does it know it? Here's the parent. Here's the provider. Yeah. Yeah. Especially when you don't know what are you up to, I think the effect kind of magnifies, right? We're like, it was good play, but we were like, did you saw that? It was me and two girls going there. My used to be girlfriend and our friend. So you have here like the providers, and what I was looking here for is that it would have the view child thingy, but it doesn't. So there is some mechanism how it knows. And because it's used in the template of it, that's kind of defined. Probably. You can apply the SPI to any native component. Hold on, what will happen? I don't know, I'm guessing. What if we do this? What if I do that, huh? What it will do? You should reload, mister. You should reload because change, you know? Angular DevTools only supports Angular version 9 and above with can see shit Ivy enabled. and it kind of fucks itself up. Console. No provider for logger service. Oh, the fuck. Almost every single time when I look something like that and I don't know immediately. Yeah, so if I provide it on a module level, can I do that? Okay, great. What was it? It was logger service. Now we have provided it in here and then in other components, so I will see how that will be tasty to, oh, well, it kind of works. And that was the, where did I remove it? In a spy? In spy, yes. Okay, so if I do this, it's Herbie, and we got that. Okay, cool. I still don't know why he did miss one of them. Like 1, 2, 4. What the fuck? 1, 2, 4, 5. Maybe they will explain it. Okay, but if I comment out it somewhere else, it should have the same messages like somewhere else too, I think. Yeah, that's exactly what I was looking for. They does not at this moment. But I suspect if I remove the providers think, yeah. And I can do it in here, I think, too. Bam. Bam. Can I somehow toggle between those? What the fuck? Oh, control and... Huh, interesting. If you press control and tab, you got this. Oh, that's even faster than control E, select and enter. Switching between two. Control tab, you are there, control tab, the last tab. Huh. That's cool. Okay, so that should be, we'll do it everywhere. And now hopefully it will work. It doesn't. No provider. App shoots. Oh, I did remove it in the module, didn't I? Yes. Oops. Oops. You did not saw it. No. There's nothing to see. Move along. Poor application. Ah, look at that. Spy one, you know, here's the Huh. What the fuck? Oh yeah, one of them had or two of them has their own. They are cheating, they are not using the logger service. If we reset, then yeah, it's the same. We did it. We did it. I understand. Ha ha ha. It's very cool. Very cool. Very cool. I like very much when I understand shit. That's my favorite thing to do. Understand shit. And now it will work again. It will work again. Well, IntelliJ is kind of sluggish, but other way it should work. Reload. I command. Oh, come on. Just do it. Or you did it already, or what? No, you didn't. Like, what the fuck? Why don't you... Whatever, I will not wait for you. I will reload manually. Yeah, it's different again. So when you provide it somewhere, that kind of creates a instance of it. Now you know. Well, maybe you know. Now we know. And I do too. Okay. So we did figure it out. Can apply spy to native component elements. Yeah. You know, I'm looking for another shit which they are not talking about it, but I'm not complaining. I'm pretty happy about it. Yeah, this is how it looks. Marks the appearance and disappearance of the attached hero of the fit and entry as seen here. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, I still did not understood this. Like, if I go here, this shit. Neighbors, do you understand this? Because this is schedules. A view refresh to ensure display catches up, and I don't know what kind of. I don't understand it. Do you understand it? I suspect you might. I don't know. Why are you red? Yeah, because shit happened. It's not clear manually. It's manually, always manually. It is like you do some update, whatever, and then it's called. Yeah, and when you have a look in the logger service, the tick. Yeah, exactly. Maybe because here is the asynchronous timeout. Is that it? I don't know, and I'm out of focus. No, I'm not. Well, JavaScript has a yield too. So I'm not sure if you mean it like yield in a JavaScript, or is it like different in different languages? TypeScript have a yield too, I think. Yeah, because promises, right? Yeah, it is for generators. Uh-huh. Different. Oh well. Okay, so what do we have here? Destroys the respawn directives at the same time. The spice on destroyer method reports its last moment. Use component and directive hooks together. Here's example. Counter component uses on changes methods to look a change every time parent component increments its input counter property. This example applies the SPY directive from the previous example. The counter component login or lock in order towards the creation and destruction of log entries. Oh, that might be why. Let's switch one. Here. Yeah, here it makes sense why they didn't use the lock in here, the logger service in here. So control eats. Ooh. Yeah, but so they have the same spy on init. What the fuck? What the fuck? Where's the? Here it was, yeah. So the spy directive, and this uses the spy too. How is that connected? But they have the same logger. Seems like if we where's the counter? Yeah, exactly. Which one was it? That was the counter. Where's the counter here? Now I do, and it's yes. Oh, I think I know because the counter will be on the SPI. The counter, if I remember correctly, it is on the SPI, and the SPI directive calls. Do you see it? Do you see it? I would call it, well, maybe a feature. That's why. Uh, that's most likely unintended behavior, I'm guessing. That's a good point you are making. It's one instance for all elements. Well, depends what you want, right? It is, you might want it. Yeah, I get you. I get you, you know, that's something you, we should know about. But we also can use this behavior for our benefit in some, I I don't know which scenario we would want that right now, but you know, there might be one extreme where we want that, or maybe it could be useful, but I cannot figure out how that would be useful right now. Or you will have issue that you were telling after the interview. Oh yeah, how they were like changing one customer, then change the view, and then the customer data did appear like somewhere else. Yeah, that might be it. That might be it. I will end up this session. I'll stop recording and tell you something. Okay, so done.